Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download CapCut in your Android. Right, so in Android there's a app from where you can just download all the application that is called Play Store. So just open your Play Store right now. Here you have to log in by using your Google ID. That's it. Now here on the search bar you have to search for CapCut, and here the CapCut application will be available. But for me, as you can see here, looking for CapCut video editor, this app isn't available. And why isn't available? Because it is banned in my country. That's a reason. But in your case, I'm very much sure, I'm 100% sure that CapCut is available in your country and you can just download it same way. So for example, this is a CapCut. I will just open it up. Now here you have to click on install. It will take a very few minutes depending upon your internet connection to download here, as you can see on the screen, and after downloading it will automatically get installed in your phone. So you don't need to click somewhere to install. So here my download is complete right now, and it will just take a few seconds to get installed, as it's saying here installing. So my CapCut is installed, and here I can open it directly from here, as well as I can open it from here, right? So for example, as you can see here, this is it. So this is how you can download CapCut in Android. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.